What if an entire city has been hiding beneath Antarctica's frozen surface for thousands of years? It sounds impossible, yet this mysterious idea has fascinated explorers, scientists, and storytellers for decades. Today, we'll separate the facts from the legends and uncover one of Earth's greatest mysteries. Antarctica is the coldest, driest, and most isolated continent on Earth, with nearly 98% of its land buried beneath ice. In some places, the ice is more than 2 miles thick, hiding a landscape that humans have barely explored. What lies beneath remains one of science's biggest unanswered questions. Using satellites, radar, and advanced imaging technology, scientists have discovered enormous mountain ranges, deep valleys, and hundreds of hidden lakes beneath the ice. These discoveries revealed that Antarctica is far more complex than anyone once imagined. Every new scan uncovers another piece of an ancient puzzle. Then came the rumors. Strange radar images showing unusual shapes quickly spread across the internet, with some claiming they resembled walls, streets, or even massive buildings. Although no evidence confirmed these ideas, the mystery captured people's imagination around the world. Some believe a forgotten civilization may have existed in Antarctica long before it became an icy desert. They imagine a time when the continent had a much warmer climate, allowing plants, rivers, and perhaps even early human settlements to survive. But is there any scientific evidence to support this theory? Geologists agree that Antarctica looked very different millions of years ago when it was part of the ancient supercontinent Gondwana. Fossils of forests and dinosaurs prove that this frozen land was once green and full of life. However, that was long before humans ever appeared on Earth. Even so, mystery lovers point to old maps that appear to show Antarctica before it was covered in ice. One of the most famous examples is the Piri Reis Map, created in the early 16th century. Some claim it reveals knowledge that should not have existed at the time. Historians, however, offer a much simpler explanation. They believe the map combined information from many different coastlines, creating shapes that only seem similar to Antarctica. The debate continues because people often see patterns where mystery already exists. Modern research has revealed more than 400 hidden lakes trapped beneath Antarctica's thick ice sheet. Some of these lakes have remained completely sealed for millions of years, untouched by sunlight or human activity. Scientists believe they may contain unique forms of ancient microbial life. Imagine lowering a research drill through more than 2 miles of solid ice, searching for clues hidden since prehistoric times. Every sample collected could change what we know about Earth's history, but it could also raise even more questions. And this is only the beginning of our journey beneath the ice. As scientists explored deeper, they discovered something even more surprising beneath the frozen surface. Entire mountain ranges, larger than the Alps, had been buried under the ice for millions of years. These hidden peaks proved that Antarctica still holds countless secrets waiting to be uncovered. One of the greatest discoveries was the Gamburtsev mountain range, a massive chain of mountains completely hidden beneath thick ice. No human has ever seen these peaks with their own eyes because they have remained frozen for countless ages. Their existence was revealed only through advanced radar technology. Hidden beneath the ice is also Lake Vostok, one of the largest subglacial lakes ever discovered. It has been sealed off from the outside world for perhaps 15 million years, creating an environment unlike anywhere else on Earth. Scientists believe it may preserve clues from a forgotten chapter of our planet's past.
Reaching Lake Vostok was an enormous scientific challenge. Researchers drilled through nearly 4 kilometers of ice while taking extreme care not to contaminate the untouched water below. Every step of the mission required patience, precision, and years of planning. When news of these hidden lakes and mountains became public, speculation spread rapidly across the internet. Some claimed they were evidence of underground cities, while others imagined secret civilizations or mysterious structures hidden beneath the frozen landscape. The imagination of millions quickly filled the gaps where facts were still missing. Scientists, however, remained cautious. Radar images can sometimes create shapes that appear artificial, even when they are completely natural geological formations. A straight line or a perfect angle does not automatically mean that humans, or anyone else, built it. Another mystery that fuels these stories is Antarctica's extreme isolation. Harsh weather, freezing temperatures, and months of complete darkness make exploration incredibly difficult. Large parts of the continent remain rarely visited, leaving plenty of room for unanswered questions. Over the years, many conspiracy theories have claimed that governments are hiding incredible discoveries beneath Antarctica's ice. Some stories mention secret military bases, while others describe advanced technology or lost civilizations. Despite these dramatic claims, no credible scientific evidence has ever confirmed them. That doesn't mean Antarctica has lost its sense of wonder. Every new expedition uncovers fresh information about hidden rivers, ancient ice layers, and landscapes that have remained untouched for millions of years. The continent continues to surprise scientists with discoveries that are extraordinary, even without the need for myths. Perhaps the greatest mystery is not whether a secret city exists, but how much of Antarctica still remains unexplored. Beneath its endless blanket of ice lies a world that humans have barely begun to understand. And the deeper researchers look, the more fascinating the story becomes. New satellites and ice-penetrating radar continue to map Antarctica with incredible precision, revealing details that were impossible to see just a few decades ago. Each mission adds another piece to the hidden landscape beneath the ice. Yet vast regions remain only partially explored. Scientists believe the greatest discoveries in Antarctica may not be ancient cities, but evidence of Earth's distant climate history. Layers of ice preserve tiny bubbles of ancient air, allowing researchers to study the atmosphere from hundreds of thousands of years ago. These frozen records help us understand how our planet has changed over time. If a hidden city truly existed beneath Antarctica, it would require extraordinary evidence to support such an extraordinary claim. Archaeologists would expect to find roads, tools, buildings, or clear signs of intelligent construction. So far, no verified expedition has uncovered anything that meets those standards. Still, the mystery refuses to disappear. Every unusual satellite image, every unexplained rock formation, and every strange radar pattern sparks new debates across the internet. Curiosity has always been one of humanity's greatest strengths, even when it leads us into the unknown. Perhaps that is why Antarctica continues to inspire countless books, documentaries, and theories. It is one of the last places on Earth where nature still hides enormous secrets beneath a frozen shield. The combination of science and mystery makes the continent endlessly fascinating. The truth is that Antarctica does not need imaginary cities to be extraordinary. Hidden lakes, buried mountain ranges, ancient fossils, and ice that has survived for millions of years are remarkable enough on their own. reality is often just as breathtaking as fiction.
As technology advances, future expeditions will explore deeper than ever before. New drilling systems, autonomous robots, and powerful satellites may reveal discoveries we cannot even imagine today. Every breakthrough brings humanity one step closer to understanding this frozen world. Could Antarctica still surprise us with something completely unexpected? Absolutely. Science is built on asking questions and following evidence wherever it leads. Until every corner beneath the ice has been explored, the continent will remain one of Earth's greatest frontiers. After separating the facts from the legends, one thing becomes clear. There is currently no scientific evidence proving that a secret city is hidden beneath Antarctica's ice. What does exist is a breathtaking underground world shaped by nature over millions of years, still waiting to reveal more of its story. So, was there ever a lost city beneath Antarctica? Or is it simply one of the world's greatest modern myths? For now, the answer remains hidden beneath miles of ancient ice, where every expedition uncovers new questions along with new discoveries. If you enjoyed exploring one of Earth's greatest mysteries, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on Global Frontier for more incredible documentaries.